Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm actually working from home for a couple days. Greg and I spent the holidays apart and we really needed to have some quality time together. So I'm home for a couple of days while I'm training at my new job. I'm able to work from home, which is just awesome. So Greg and I are happy campers right now because we're seeing each other and I get to be in my art studio painting. I am in the process of doing a move, so bear with me. My videos will be sporadic a bit, but I hope you stick around. Keep watching because I will be back shortly. Now I've got in front of me a cradle board. These are the level ups that Greg makes. We have actually kits on the page below. In the descriptions you'll see links. These are called level ups. They're little plastic, look like little doll tables. I have them taped to a cradle board because they're actually made to slide into the bottom of your canvas, which I can show you on this one here. They usually slide in and you can level your canvas so that you can have many put aside in your room attached to your canvas and you'll be able to have them all level, which this is how it works. There's just a little nut in here and you turn it to go up or you turn it to go down. Super easy to use. Check out the links below if you want to get anything leveled for your workspace. So that's why I have that showing. I have one put aside right here, ready to go so I can put my canvas on there to dry as soon as I'm done. Okay, let's do a painting. I'm out of practice. Let's hope this one goes well. I've got some global paint pre-done from a previous video, so I got two different blues, and I'm also going to do a boom gel, which is the native violet purple. So those are the colors I'm going to do, and I have this cell activator cobalt teal, I think it's called, or sorry, golden teal is what it is, the fluid. I've had this mixed up for probably about 2 months now. Let's see if it works. That's my cell activator. I'm going to do a little bit of a swirl and swipe, give it a spin. All right, hun, hit some music. Let's have some fun.
Liar, liar, whispers in your ear. You're defined by how you appear. Liar, liar, tells you happiness comes from the feeling of that kiss. Liar, liar's tugging at your heart. Money, fame, and fortune is his dark art. Oh, look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, they're killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the truth and fight. Look out for the lies. Liar, liar, whispers in your ear. You're the reason daddy's not here. Liar, liar, tells you that success comes to those who never stop to rest. Liar, liar, leads you to believe beauty and attention will meet your needs. Oh, look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, they're killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the truth and fight. Look out for the lies. But the truth will set you free. You are more than what you see. You are loved immeasurably. You're a child of the skies. Look out for the lies. They're wearing their disguise, promising you life, killing you inside. Look out for the lies. Don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right. Claim the the truth and fight. Look out for the lies, they're wearing their disguise, promising you life, but killing you inside. Look out for the lies, don't try to compromise. Hold to what is right, claim the truth and fight.
You were sitting by the water, I was on the line. Wish that I was right beside you. I hope I'm on your mind. And oh, I'm missing you. Like snow in winter, it thaws out in the sun. Don't you worry, from the darkness a new day always comes. And like the river flowing seaward, I'm missing you. Through the darkness, I will find you. Fear not, my
Love of my life, don't you forget, although we're apart. Hope this song will bring you comfort. Hope it warms your heart.
And like the river, flowing seaward, I'm missing you. Through the darkness, I will find you. Fear not, my So now you're sitting by the water, and I'm still on the line. I wish that I was right beside you. I hope I'm on your mind. And oh, I'm missing you.